Alright, so if you're getting low FPS on BlueStacks, yeah, that can make games feel really slow, but with a few tweaks you can boost performance a lot. Let's fix it. First, open settings and turn on high frame rate mode. Now set the FPS limit to 60 or higher depending on your system. Go to performance settings and increase CPU cores and RAM for better performance. Make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. It can significantly boost FPS. Switch graphics mode to performance or try different renderers like DirectX or OpenGL. Reduce resolution if your PC is struggling. It can improve FPS instantly. Inside the game, lower graphics settings for smoother performance. Close unnecessary apps to free up system resources. And yeah, that's how you fix low FPS in BlueStacks. With these changes, your gameplay should feel much smoother.